Hi all! Welcome to our Angular tutorial. So far in Angular we have seen binding styles, class, and properties. Today we are going to see about event binding. Event binding is used to attach an event into an HTML element. So when user triggers the action, the event will start. This is just similar to our JavaScript function calling. So far, we have sent the information from the TypeScript to the templates when the page loads without any user interaction. Now let's bind some events and see how it works in Angular. First we will start with our normal function call. Let's create a button, and name it as login. Now let's add a function call, onClick, and we will define the function inline. Alert, within double quotes, add some message, login successful. Now we will save the file and run. In browser, you can see a button. If you click, a pop-up will appear with message, login successful. With this, we understood our normal function calls works fine. But let's define the function in Angular way. For this you need to do few changes. First, let's change onClick to just click, within parentheses. Now we will move the alert function into the TypeScript file. Just remove the alert function call, and enter a new function name. I will name the function as showAlert. Now let's move on to the TypeScript file. Here we will define a function, showAlert. Add the alert function call here. Now we are ready. Check in the browser. Now you can see, on click of the button, it is showing alert, where the alert function is in TypeScript file. Let's move to the HTML and we'll understand more. Here you could see the click action. Now let's make it as mouse over. You can see target event name is in full lowercase. Please note that event names will be always full lowercase, camel case won't work here. Now let's see how it works in the browser. When I mouse over the button, it triggers the function call and pops up the alert. So far, we have made calls to the functions without any argument. Let's add an argument now. You can use any event, but for more clarity, change the event name to click, instead of mouse over. Within the function, showAlert, type within single quotes, welcome. Now let's save and move to the TypeScript file. Add the parameter, just we will name it as parm. Set the value of message variable, this .message, is equal to, parm. Now we will add this message into the alert function. Now save and move to the browser. Here you can see, when I click on login button, alert pops up with message as welcome. So whatever the value that we have sent as argument is working fine. Let's do few more changes. Instead of popping up the alert, we will print the value on screen. Go to the HTML file, add an h2 tag. Now we will interpolate a variable, which we have already created. Within double curly braces, add message variable. Now we will save the file and go to browser. Now you can see, whitegators.com is printed on screen. When you click on login button, we will see a pop-up. Once you close the pop-up, the message variable value is changed and it's getting reflected here. So far we have called the function which is defined in the TypeScript file. Now we will set the variable value directly in the template. Remove the function call, and type the variable name, message, is equal to, within single quotes, enter some message, login successful, welcome. Save and check the browser. Our initial message that we have set is whitegators.com. When you click on the login button, it will set the new value to the message variable and will display that on screen. As part of event binding, we will try to understand about the event object. Remove the contents within the click event, and add the showAlert function again, but this time instead of just string, we will send the event object. $event. In the TypeScript file, we will add one more statement. Console.log of this.message, which is used to log the event in the browser console. Save and open the browser. If you click on the login button, it will pop up in the event detail. Click OK. As of now, ignore the event object getting printed as just an object instead of JSON string. Open the developer tools by clicking F12. Now you can see, the event which we triggered is logged into the console. This will have more information about the event that we triggered, including the position of the button, type of the event, etc. We will see more detail on this event now. Open the template file, create an input box, and add an event name as KeyUp. Remember, in Angular we just use KeyUp, not on KeyUp. Within double quotes, add the message variable. Now we are going to set the message variable with the event object. Type $event.target.value. Save the file and open the browser. If you start typing in the browser, it will start changing the value of the variable and on screen it will get updated. So in this video, we understood the basics of event binding, passing arguments, setting the value of an variable with parameters and how to use event object. In the upcoming videos, we will see about two-way binding and referencing the template variables. Bye.